Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating variables. Unplug all external keyboards, mice, and USB gadgets so you know the laptop's hardware alone is acting up. Boot into safe mode or create a fresh user profile to see if the problem persists under minimal software. Then open accessibility and keyboard settings to disable sticky keys, filter keys, and confirm the correct layout. Once done, try typing in a plain text editor to capture whether stray keystrokes continue. This tells you if the issue is software or hardware. Now dig deeper into the system. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware sweep, because keyloggers or misbehaving utilities can send phantom input. Open Device Manager and update the keyboard driver. If the issue started after an update, roll back the driver instead. Inspect Task Manager for unfamiliar processes and review recently installed apps. Uninstall anything suspicious. Make sure regional input methods and virtual keyboards are removed. Once you remove offending software, reboot and retest typing to see if ghost inputs stop. If software ruled out, handle hardware. Power down and use compressed air to blow debris from under keys. Sticky residues often cause repeated inputs. For a thorough clean, carefully remove keycaps following the manufacturer guide and clean switches. Plug in an external USB keyboard. If it types normally, the laptop keyboard is faulty. If internal hardware is the culprit, reseat the ribbon cable or replace the keyboard assembly per the service manual. Troubleshooting tip. If replacements fail, test with a bootable Linux USB to confirm hardware versus firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.